In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive messages on Roblox. Open your Roblox, right? Click on this more option. Once you click on this, click on messages, right? You're going to be able to see your messages right here on Roblox. Now, if you want to be able to archive your messages, just tap on the chat, right? If you look below, you're going to see archive, mark as read, mark as unread, right? So click on the archive, right? So if you click on this archive, you're going to be able to see the messages you just archived, right? I'm going to refresh it, right? So I'll just refresh it now. I'll go back, click on messages, right? I'm going to wait for it to load up. So click on archive. So yeah, I just archived that message. I archived the message. So yeah, it's gonna come out here. I think just wait just few minutes now, it's gonna come out, right? So this is basically how you can archive messages here on Roblox. If you find this video, share it, tell us below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'll see you all in the next video.